I will show you how to install LangChain MCP Adapters. It is an integration library that connects LangChain agents with tools and data sources that follow the MCP protocol. Think of it as a bridge between LangChain and the MCP ecosystem. It lets your AI agent use external tools, fetch data, or perform tasks through MCP compliant server. Now let's go to Google, and in Google you have to type LangChain MCP and you can click here. Now you have to click on this first link, Model Context Protocol MCP Docs by LangChain. When you come on this page, you will see here MCP is an open protocol that standardizes how applications provide tools and context to LLMs. LangChain agents can use tools defined on MCP server using the LangChain MCP Adapters library. And this is what we are going to install now. To install it using pip, here the command is given. You have to just click here on this copy button. Now open a command prompt. In Windows type cmd and now just right click here, press enter. This will start the installation of this library. Now it is finished. This is just a warning, so you can ignore it. I'll close this. To check whether the library has been installed or not, I'm just going to copy this import statement from here. So from langchain underscore mcp underscore adapters dot client import multi-server mcp client. I'm going to copy this from here. I'll go to this Jupyter notebook, paste it here and then press enter. We have imported successfully. We did not get any error. That means this library has been successfully installed, and now you can use it to connect to your MCP or fetch data, or you can do even any other task. This is how you can do the installation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.